Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download Microsoft OneDrive for free into your Windows 10 and 11. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first we will come over our desktop and then click on your right mouse button, click on new and click on folder. By this we will going to create a folder called OneDrive and then click enter. After that, we will go to our Google Chrome browser and here we will going to search for Office Deployment Tool. And then we will going to select download Office Deployment Tool from official. Click on that. And here we are in Office Deployment Tool and we will going to click the download option. And if you have any kind of free download manager, then you just need to click on this three dot button, click on click on desktop and then click on OneDrive, that folder we created, and the download is completed. You can see, minimize this and going to open a new tab and search for Office Customization Tool. Click on that. Well, we will get this kind of link called config.office.com. Click on that. And then here we are in Office Customization Tool website. And here we just need to select the deployment settings. For that, we need to go for the architecture. Clicking on 64-bit, my computer is 64-bit, but if you have 32-bit, you can select 32-bit. After that, coming over Office Suites and going to select Office Professional Plus 2019, leave VCN project, and then we will going to select only OneDrive desktop, and after all others will be turned off. And going to click on next, select the language, going for the English United States, but you can choose any of your preferable language. Click next once again, and now here you need to come over upgrade options and install any website version of Office including VCN project. You just need to turn it off. Click next and next and next, and after that you just need to select finish. After that, here you just need to click on export in the right side and click on Office Open XML formats. Click OK and check here that I accept the terms in the license agreement, and then click export. And after that, you can see the configuration.xml is downloaded. So click on this folder icon and it will automatically redirect you to the configuration.xml. So from here you just need to cut it from here, minimize this and going to paste it over here like this. So after that, we will select the Office Development Tool over here, going to click yes, that Microsoft Office permission, and here we will click here to accept the Microsoft software license and terms. Click continue, and here there will be need to select OneDrive folder and then click OK, and your files extracted successfully. And now we will going to come over this bar over here and going to type cmd and then click enter. And after that, our cmd prompt will be open. And now here we just need to copy this command and going to copy it and paste it over here like this, and then click enter. Click yes, and you can see the Microsoft we're getting things ready. So I will give you this command into video description. From there you can copy it, so don't worry about. So you can see that Office things are getting ready, and you can see that installation is finished over here. You can see over here. So now we will going to search over here that OneDrive, how we can sure that OneDrive is downloaded or not. So if we come over this PC, and here you can see there is an option after the gallery is OneDrive. By this, you can be sure that your OneDrive is downloaded into your Windows operating system, and it's completely free. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.